Holy crap. A first comment. What's good, Alta? How you doing, dude? I'm be stepping away periodically because I got a few more things I have to get ready. But it's good to see you, man. One day before the course, too. You hyped? You hyped? Trailer for that should go up today, by the way. Just finished getting all the necessary components for just like the video itself. So I'm pumped for that. Here, be right back. Pretty hyped. You should be, man. You put a lot of work into that. Really appreciate it. Here, I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom real quick. Here, be. Okay, I'm back. We could do a dry run on the Discord system, see what options are for attendees to interact and raise your hand situation. Yeah, it's a great idea. I was actually going to bring up if you wanted to, I don't know, do one later today. I have some stuff to do after stream, so maybe we can like set up something for like evening my time, / evening your time. Or we could do something kind of early in the morning if you'd like, because I usually wake around like 5:30, 6 a.m. So we can get something done then. Also, how's the audio balance, guys? How we doing? Talk to me. Free this evening, def down the test out before tomorrow. Yeah, I mean a double test would not hurt either. Let's see how much time we got left in the stream. Alright, cool. Give me time to do one more thing before we continue, because I just want to make sure I got everything truly set up this time. Because we did a whole lot of stuff yesterday for design, so I'm thinking we'd probably start with like maybe the code junk today, then do more design work. I don't know. All right, one more thing, then once I'm back, we'll start this up for real. Good, now I'm back for realsies. People still say for realsies, right? I'm not the weird guy here, am I? Yes, I am. All right, what's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is Out of No Entertainment. I hope you're having a fantastic Thursday morning, afternoon, evening, or Friday morning, depending on what time zone you're currently in. Welcome for joining me today. It's a pretty big day today, last day before we do our Blender Masterclass. My dog is currently navigating under my desk. So if my computer randomly shuts off, he hit the cords. So, just as some mouthwash. You guys ever get that where it's just like, you know you just had mouthwash, or you know you just brush your teeth, and it's like your mouth tastes like mint? Or whatever toothpaste you have. You could have the bacon one, which actually is kind of good, not gonna lie. I mean, not good for like how your breath smells, and like just like you like having bacon breath. Either way, like you're like, oh yeah, you're not supposed to swallow mouthwash, so that part of your brain kicks in. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. Yeah, that's a great start to today's stream. Okay, so before anything really happens, let me mute my Discord and Steam notifications, because I see Lewis in the stream avatars there. I don't know for a fact he will call me out on this, Lewis. All right. But either way, we got another productive day going on. Let me show you guys the schedule. Yeah, I see you. You can't just creep. I know you're there. All right, let's beat the dev scene. So, what do we have going on today? We're still continuing to do design personalities. So if we take a look at what we did yesterday, made a massive color-coded, well-organized, if I'm to scratch my own back, design sheet here. I'm getting pretty good at this. And today we're probably gonna be we're gonna design the 3 personalities based on the setup we have here. And since this is like the big skeleton, this is more just like, all right, cool. What do we have for like bouncing and blah, 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 and the number stuff. You're on a coding channel. You guys don't care about the numbers. You guys just wanna see me fail and then succeed occasionally. And that's what we're gonna be doing today. But before we even do that, I would like to actually get some programming done, because we haven't, we didn't really do much yesterday. So just, if you see the, both the stream notification and the title of today's stream, we are going to be continuing work on the game, learning how to make a personality for it, sorry Jethro, and also learning one of the Godot's UI system, Limbo AI. Because after yesterday I realized that I kind of completely forgot how to use it, so I'd like to get a little refresher on that. So I don't know, we're gonna maybe see how fast we could create a top-down shooter. I think that'd be kind of fun. And if not, I'll just like, you know, go cry in the corner over there. I don't know how we're feeling about that. Okay, so let's get started with one of the first programming things to do. And that is under this blah blah here. Let me get my phone set up so I make sure we got, oh, it's 11:11, make a wish. Let me get my phone stuff set up to make sure that we have the timer good to go and we don't overwork ourselves because that's kind of important. Let me turn on my fan so I don't sweat with extra consonants. There we go. All right, cool. So I got that all set up. We're just gonna hop right into it. Timer is going. So refactor and concurrent code. Note to myself, if something works, do not mess with it, which is a thing to do. So the first thing we want to check off on this is add a custom warning for the nodes that require specific components to ensure that they always have the required classes. So I saw this really cool thing the other day on I saw it on Twitter yesterday, or not yesterday. I reposted it though. Follow me on Twitter if you haven't already. I mean, X formerly Twitter. Right here, custom node warnings, which is something built in Godot. So for all my Godot users, sorry, I throw your paws are right there. My dog has giant paws, by the way. I can like actually physically shake hands with him. Either way, if you are new to Godot or you've used Godot, basically Godot gives you a warning if you use a node that requires another node as its child or parent, if you don't have it attached. So for example, if you're making a 2D character or something, or any really physics-based object that requires something like a collider, Godot says, hey, you don't have a collider attached to this thing. It really won't behave the way you want it to. So that's really awesome, and if you're using a modular way of programming, it'd be good to have that on your own. So if we look at our dude character here, we can see that we have a stack component, a personality component, and an inventory component built into our guy. And we need all three of these to be attached to our dude character. So the first thing I want to do is kind of see, I don't know, my voice just cracked there. Kind of see if we can figure this out to make sure that we have all these attached. So, okay, what functions are we gonna use? Oh, so this is courtesy of Stay at Home Dev, who is a really good Godot YouTuber, and I don't follow him, wow. And a really good, I don't know, just a Godot tips provider guy. He says Godot as Gado, so I personally have beef with him. He doesn't know of my existence, but now he does, hopefully. So yeah, that's that. Whoa, that is more comfortable. I was watching this thing today about like ergonomics because that's my current hyperfixation, and I heard that you're supposed to put your like palm farther up the mouse, and that's like actually better. Or you're supposed to put your palm like farther up the mouse, and that's supposed to be better for how it works. And I can kind of feel that. Oh no, we're trying on new things. We're going to mess up my entire workflow by trying on new stuff. So the thing we need is a get configuration warnings, and it returns a pack string array. And then we need to see if parent is not configuration component, we return that, else return nothing. So we need to do that for each of the personality components. So I think I'll put that above our ready. Also, this at tool tag you can add to a class basically tells the editor to just look at something before it actually enters the scene. Sure. So we're going to, wait, what was it called? Okay. Func, get configuration for me? Yeah, all right, cool. I love autocomplete. If get, or if has, get children? Oh, get child, okay. If get children, that has, okay. It's a value variant, so we need to see stack component in there. Cool, and we want to say if we don't have that, can we do this for multiple components? I'm wondering. So if this parent return this node must have the interaction component, okay. Return, and we can just return empty string article. Return. Let's see. This node requires got my typing. My I realized how badly I was hurting my hands actually yesterday when I was typing. A stat. Child. Else. Return. Link. Cool. So I'm wondering. Maybe we should do something like if else. So we're gonna say like, if we have, let's see. Let's do like the first case. So if we don't have a stack component, and we don't have get children dot has. Actually, I'm just gonna do it right here. Void node children or void. Is children like a base thing? Oh, not void. Whoops. Their children. There's a type array, and that's equal to get children. There we go. If children that has stack component. If children does not have stack component, I love how that is not grammatically correct. And children does not has a personality component, and children does not has inventory component. We want to say this node requires a stack component, inventory component, and a personality component. And I'm going extra by just like adding a bunch of else if statements as well. Elif. And I'm basically just gonna run down the chain here. For every single case here. Okay. That's okay. So if we don't have that, but children has both of these. So this is the case for like if we don't have a stack component, but we have a personality and a inventory component, we'll just return, there's a stack component. Let's do another elif. I guess I don't need like the parentheses and, but it kind of helps me think. Elif here. So imagine we do has a children component. Hey, Legend Dice, what's good? You tried Dino Nuggets for the first time today. You'll never eat anything else again. Yeah, welcome to Peak. Welcome to Peak. You pop it in the air fryer, you microwave them. Hey, Safe, what's good, dude? Because you pop it in the microwave, dude. Pop them in an air fryer, forgot one. Life changing. Elif, if children does have a stack component and a personality component. Okay, so let's just go like if they have this and this, but they don't have this. Okay, drop there. There we go. Okay. Still missing the sick fit, dude. Just throwing off the sick guns today. Let's see. So if the children has a stack component and a personality component, but they don't have inventory component, we're gonna say, hey, you require an inventory component. Then another case. Yeah. That's what I get for being lazy. If So this one says like if they don't have any of the components, this one is just like, hey, I don't have a stack component. This one is just, hey, I don't have an inventory component. And this final one will be like, hey, I don't have a personality component, because we haven't checked that one yet, right? So So we got inventory set. We just need a personality component. This is super extra, dude. I just realized I have to do this for like if there's a combination. Why am I doing all of this? Let's see, return if they don't have that, or they don't have that, or they don't have that, return that. And then according to this, we need notification what int. I hate that this is the, I don't know why I said it like that. I hate that this is the actual argument that's built in Godot. It's just what. Phone underscore notifications what int void, and we want to say if what is equal to notification enter tree. Parent is equal to get parent. The configuration warnings. Do I? Do you have to globally confirm that? Parents equal to that? Maybe I actually have to globally confirm that. Yeah, no, because you didn't define that right there. Let's see. Do you just not define it prior to that? Maybe we don't want to do that either. And then we want to update configuration tree. Alright, cool. Alright. Hopefully this works. And let's see, did I change? There is nothing changed on the inventory component. So if I was to delete the inventory component, save it, we did not get the error, unfortunately. It's gonna, If parent is not in action. This is gonna be another thing where it's like, I've genuinely forgotten how, because I've changed stuff. Maybe, what if I just quickly create another dude character? There we go. Just node requires a stack component, a personality and a personality component. What? Oh. I don't want to say dude character TCN. Don't say it. Save the script though. So delete the inventory component. Are we gonna get, or is it gonna throw us the error? It's not. Okay, so wait. If we don't have a that, or a that, or a that, it should throw us the error. Maybe I have to refresh the project real quick. Hold up. Be super sick. Hey, that was the issue. Okay, hold up. Because it's just gonna turn on. So if I just add an inventory component, save it. That component has that. Now you got it. So if I run it now. Let's see if it, no, okay, it's not throwing me any errors on that. Dude character. Test an inventory component, and it is actually working. Okay, so this is kind of busted. Whoa, a lot of things happening. iPad Kid 3rd to 5th grade. Aren't you in 5th grade? So that's why American owns like, I'm so okay, that's funny. Like, I'm sure I'm recovered, you're above actually IQ, but messed you up so bad. Safe, you were 12, dude. You're still actively growing up. You do not have to worry about the stuff or like being grown out of things. Okay, I don't. What did I do wrong here? You can make your own custom. Just make sure to make a tool script. Yep. Func notification, what void enters tree. If notification enters, if what equals enter tree. Get parent, update configuration warnings. Children is equal to get. Maybe we have to use a different one than just notification tree. Equals. Just enable maybe? How many times is this gonna run though? Because if we got that, delete the inventory component. Just like control A. Add an inventory component. Nah. Please, we do it too. Let's see. If parent is not interaction component. If children doesn't. What if I put like an and in here for some reason? Cause like it's annoyingly not letting up on this. So if it doesn't have any of these, it will do that. But if it has all three of these, it should do that, so. Crash disabled editor pre-save, editor post-save. Moved in parent update, else memory warning, pause, physics process. Ready, scene instantiated, on pause, parented, unparented. Mouse enter, read, delete, pause. Okay, it should just be what's the one he said? So this is for enter tree. Is there like a child order change? Oh. So if I run this, I'm like, okay, I need that, but then like I add an inventory component. No, still not updating. And if I reload the current project, no, still getting that error. Is it, did I forget an and somewhere? No. What if I get here? It might just be the way I've ordered that. If it does not have, okay, interesting. If energy is less than or equal to 0. Okay. What they call update configuration warning. So we got exit tree, we avoid enter tree. Question what's a notification object. If node has children as enter tree, call back, we call first, and the children corresponds to notification enter tree. It's about the notification received before the enter tree signal. Notification moving parent. Notification is no longer sent by the engine. Use notification child order changed. Receive when the list of children is changed. Must happen when the child knows it. Okay, so we need it to definitely be child order changed for the dude component here. Inventory component. I gotta go here. Notification child order changed. Yeah. Get children is equal to get children, and that just gets the children on the get children returns all the nodes inside it. Array. Add child to the official parameter. Okay, cool. I wonder, can I have this like print children afterwards? Because it should just default, output, do character invalid permanent personality is to type based on object. Type to validate GDScript. Attempt to use has an object type of GDScript into a typed array which does not inherit from node. Oh. Does that clear up the error? So then if I delete inventory component from it here, like that. Okay, there we go. GDScript, attempt to use has an object type GDScript into a typed array which does not inherit from node. Okay, so what does get children do? It returns an array of type nodes, yeah. Should include internal false. It returns all children inside of array. Okay, so because now I really want to make this work. Let me make sure that I have my alarms going on as well. This is gonna be the first like thing we focus on today's stream because it's just gonna bother me for a bit. Attempted to use has maybe presetting the. Oh no, it's totally working. Player mesh, stack component, personality component. It's just here's the problem. Fine. Because has is just straight up has return true if the has value has inside. It's looking for that. Okay. Next thing to test. I don't know why dude components just like disappeared now. It doesn't pop up. There you go. It's at the front. Let's print children dot has, I guess, inventory component. It should just run us a false every time this is called now. Oh. Should the return false, right? Nah. Okay, returns. Oh, that returns false that time. Get children. Oh, okay, because it's doing it afterwards. Attempt to use hash on GDScript into touch array which is not inherited from node. An object of type GDScript into a type array which is not. Okay, so. But this says if we run this get children, if it has inventory components, it's gonna be false. But like, let's just say if we add like just a random node to it, is this gonna return true? It's gonna return false as well. Okay, so we're getting something's wrong with the has. Maybe I should make it an on ready because like he assigns it. Well, he assigns it post this, so I don't think we can do an on ready, but is it? What if I just say like, hey, do you have a node in there? Oh, not you. It's gonna give me a lot of outputs, a lot of errors, stack trace, and that's just gonna run if, let's see, a lot of false prints that are happening there. There we go, false removes on type, okay. So it's just the has that's freaking out. If energy, okay, elements, let's see, misery returner methods displays warning scheme if the doc does override the tool. Okay, so let's quickly look at. Let's see. The dude script itself inherits. Oh, it doesn't do personality. We don't want that. That we've been messing with? No, we haven't messed with the dude character. That inherits from character body 3D. Okay. Let's see what we're doing wrong here. These are Godot custom node warnings. This is posted this year, 245. Let's see the script. Import nodes equals node 2D. Okay. Problem with that is just like it does that. And I don't have any things that distinctly inherit. So what I could do is I could just be like, hey, these are empty, but I don't want to do that. I wonder if, okay, so let's go back to the dude component here and actually close everything else. Because maybe close other tabs. Maybe it's just the fact that we're looking like at through an array is screwing it up. Or it's just like, if has node, bool has node, stack component, node path. Could I just do like, could I throw in this? Has node, takes a new path with this node, nude. This node, and let's say, Victoria component. Let's just say a stack component. Let's do that. And then instead of like the children where we do this, we just run this right here. Save it. Then instead of getting the children array, no, we don't want that anymore. And then if we just like add the inventory component to it, no, it freaks out. Is it just like has that's screwed up? Attempted to use. So if I delete this, is it gonna throw me the same error? It's not gonna throw me the same error. If we look here. Get how to do character IP values, return files. Okay, let's just say, let's clear these, see if that's happening still. Child order change, which is just called whenever we add something. Let's add in the inventory component, see if that throws us some more errors. It does not. So this is like, if we have the stack component, it will throw us the error. But if we don't have the stack component, let's do that. And then let's say if we don't have inventory component, that's the one that should throw it off. So if I delete this right here, right? It's gonna throw us the error, nothing in there. But if we add in the inventory component like this, gets rid of the error. Okay, cool, that's what it was. So we can't use has on the array, but what we can do, whoa, a lot of things happening. All right, what's good, Vac? I see you in the chat there. What we can do is we can just add this in if we don't have anything. So I think what it can do to actually like add it, to make this more customizable, and that was actually perfect timing because the focus timer actually just ended. But what I want to do, oh, we've been on break. It didn't tell me, oh, because I have my notifications off. Yeah, I really need to allow that. Oh, you know, it's really good that I actually turned them off. I got the quintessential take something out for dinner thing, and if you don't, you're gonna die. So, what we need to do is, Elko crack, there, warning string. Type string. So if we don't have no inventory components, let's see. Is equal to blank. So remove the inventory component, should throw us an error. Alright, cool. We have now added our custom node warnings. Whoop! Altar. Okay. All right. Whoa. PC is acting if you're gonna go sleep so around. Make sure you release the VOD if it doesn't happen automatically. Oh yes, will do. And thank you for reminding me, Lewis. I guess that did not happen yesterday. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to do that manually. All right. Whoa. We got some beef in the YouTube chat. What is going on? So, that messed me up bad. Again, dude, you're only 12. You're fine. A couple messed you up for life. It's like a substance addiction. That like black market aspect without the black market aspect, that's a pretty big comparison. I'm not getting into details, but I'm praying for the millennials to get there. Okay, you're a 7th grader. Oh, you're 12. As I'm saying, IQ test, what you got? 1 time 20. Did the test? Answer some questions. One question: how are you 12? 7th grader, smarter than all politicians are. I want to say you're big smart. What do you mean by that? Okay. Caught up. Let's do the break part, because that's one part of the custom code warning. Let me just break that back to the front end. I could hope to. I have a better way to make that load in, but we'll do that after the break. Hey, Otaku 111, what's good? Appreciate the nice words. How you doing? I think I'm gonna go back to doing bass practice during. Oh yeah, back. Did I ask you how you're doing? We might go back to doing some bass practice instead of typing, because I really need to stop destroying my wrists. Because if I can't type, guess I can't do half the things he does on this channel. This, and let me post that VOD from yesterday. View producer, all videos, publish VODs, bloop, bloop. I know some of them probably gonna be like, what, 2 seconds because of the bug we were experiencing yesterday. Yeah, I'll publish this guy though. It's like 2 minutes. I'll publish that. Publish one of those. Is this a clip? Is a highlight? Yeah, actually, I have no idea. These are past broadcasts. This is a past broadcast that's only 2 minutes long because that one was broken. Yes, unpublish that, please. Alright, cool. Blech. Thank you for the reminder, Lewis. Yes, I saw you safe. That's very impressive. To do our hack labels, that's what we're gonna be doing after that. Some walking around, some stretching, because I destroyed my calves on our last workout. Hold up. Yeah, I gotta stretch the hammies, as Rigby said. But I mean, your calves are your hamstrings. Your calves are connected to your hamstrings, I think. I don't know. I'm not a biologist, dude. I haven't had to have a biology course since I was like 14. So almost a decade ago. God, I'm getting old. Yep. Got my first gray hair at 8 years old. Make sure you hydrate. Oh, that's what I needed to do. I need to hydrate. I forgot. I didn't grab a glass of water before the stream started. I don't know. I feel like dehydrating would be a pretty sick challenge right now. Alright. Let me go grab a glass of water. I'll be right back, y'all. Where's my camera control so I can just stop the tracking? There we go. Alright, I'm back. That's basically it for the break too. So I brought my phone with me. Right. So where are we at now? It was a little early in the morning for the existential crisis safe. Alright. Clever needs to do our hack labels. Haven't done that in a minute. New turn these into RAM. Okay, let's see. We'll come back to this later. I mean, hold up. Check the note. If something works, don't mess with it. There we go. Implement saving a select test, reload them later. Oh, this is not what I made. Do character to do. Design code structure, I'll do personally carry digital components, make so each component recite. Oh yeah, we actually did do that already. Add set gets for each of these to have a range of 0 to 1. Yeah, that's something we have to do. Wait, do we change set? Yeah, okay. How do we define seconds again? I completely forgot. Where would have I put a second? Even the personality or a stack component actually? Probably the stack component. No? Okay. Can you talk about it? Oh, I didn't even click on it. Dark component. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so yeah, you just define it afterwards. So we can just do those set gets right now. I think that'd be pretty straightforward. Should be under what personality component? For cooking chances? No, it'd be under stack component for cooking chances. Fix a variable. Oh yeah, that's actually a pretty big one I have to fix. Okay, we've gotten a bunch of errors. There we go. Backslash this, I can put another line. Yep, cool. That's fine. Just have to basically do that for each of these and have the export range set to 0 to 1, so it can't be configured like that. It's on the personality component. Okay. Just put these onto one singular block, and then we will change these to use this now. And we'll change gourmet to, what is this? This is dubious. It's gonna give me the error, that's fine. Change these. Oh, I just realized I kind of screwed up with the, whatever. Dubious, we'll just put that to 0.4. This is 0.05 by default. Just gonna boot chances down until I actually change it. You guys, this is 0.5, gotta remember that. Control B. Boink. And it's not gourmet anymore, this is tasty. And same thing for this 0.75, gotta remember that. Darn. Crap. Okay, I forgot about that. Okay. No longer the tasty food. This is okay food, and the point which change should be 0.75. Just change it right there, so don't forget that. Dope. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, sure. I'll get the recipe. Okay, so that gives us the set gets, so we just need to actually create set gets. Let's see, missing component warnings. That's already built in. Ready, uncooked food. It's a big function. Probably have to break that down. What's that component? Maybe put like the cooking and eating. I'll put this into like a cooking and eating thing. Oh yeah, no, remember I set that up too. funk ready is equal to that. We'll set that up later because that just has some debugs in it. Yeah, okay. So we just need to get the set gets. So we need a funk get gourmet food and a funk set gourmet food. Oh. Return set void. Oh, do we have to set a value in a setter getter? Where do I put that at first? My custom resource bigger was personality. No, stack component. Oh wait, you're broken now. Oh yeah, because I'm still working on this. It was the inventory component. Set gets. Do you require arguments? You do require an argument. All right, dope. And that is a float that you need. So we're gonna say amount float returns a void, and I'm just gonna say gourmet food chance plus equals empty, and we're gonna say gourmet food chance is equal to clamp f gourmet food chance between the values of, let's say, it can't go 0, so let's just say 0.01 and 1 clamp f. There we go. Cool, and then we'll have a funk underscore get gourmet food, and that is going to return a float, and that float will just return gourmet food chance. There we go. Get more gourmet food chance does not exist. There we go. And set gourmet food chance needs to be set to that. And we just have to do the same thing for every single food type. Okay. There we go. Okay, so change everything that's gourmet to, let's just go down the list this time. So we're gonna go gourmet. This is gonna be tasty. I'm holding Alt, by the way, to do this. Select multiple lines and then just select this junk right here. Nice. And go down the line, do the same thing. Except for gourmet. I wonder, can you like highlight Control Shift F? Oh no, I don't want to do that. Just like a replace, Control R. Replace selection only. Yo, wait, hold up. What is this? Okay. So if I do this, select everything here, looking for all the gourmet food chance things that we have set up. Match case, I guess. It says 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. So if I turn this match case off, it doesn't do anything. Match whole words turns it to 12. Plus match is 6 out of 10. Selections only hit us with 7. Selection only hits us with a little bit more than that. And so can I shift add this, or can I go like all of this right here? So if I select nothing, selection only, poop, do that, place gourmet food chance, and this is okay food, and this dish needs to be dubious this time. Replace all. Okay, for some reason this one just doesn't set it up. Yeah, there's this one. That's fine though. There we go. Alright, cool. And now we can turn these all into a code region. Oh, was it like altar? Yo. A food chance set gets red. Alright, so we just did that. Second, for each unready. Oh, wait, dude. Oh my god, okay. I did this backwards. The set get should have them, not the base chances. Whack. There we go. Yeah, okay. Base one ready test food chance bases. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, did that wrong? There we go. Okay, that fixes that. And now we can get rid of this to do because we have not completed that. Don't care about that. Just settings, full pass, short name, script name, separated, ignore pass. What pass should we ignore? What are you in? What are you in for? Custom resource picker. Show file system. This is under add-on, so underscore res backslash add-ons maybe for to do. Yo, okay, cool. Now we let's see what we need. Turn these into res, boost range. This works, so I actually really don't have to do this. Get rid of that as a to-do. Test for multiple cook values. Where was that? Oh, we already did that actually. This is deprecated for due personality. Cool, gone. Remove the ingredient and when food works. Base cooking. Remove one ingredient based cooking works. I don't think I need this anymore then. Cool. Make this most common food. One level of features enabled. We don't have to really affect just in one function. Probably can do that now. Rework this cooking overhaul occurs. Activity stats. Okay, cool. Needs to test to see if this works when building. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Man, GD. Make this only update when the Pomodoro timer changes. This is something we can do actually. Hack won't be work all the time. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Find a way to have this not update every second. That's what we're doing right here. Fix me, reworking the audio task assign logic in place. The active session string name does not exist anymore. Yes. Get rid of this. I think that's actually fine now. Test questions. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Just cooks now. Okay, actually we don't need that because now it's just based off of like tasks cooking, so that's solid. Pops overlaps, you have to do manager. If this actually causes performance issues, make the active pop clear stuff before lasting. Fix 0 assignments for the current stats or the chat. Oh yeah, that's a test for balance. Yes, remove max, set these thresholds for future buff and debuff. Wait, hold up. Remove the max from these. Okay, so that's later on. We don't have to do all of that. The thing that we can do right now is refactor this into one function. So it takes an argument. I mean, again, this doesn't, if it works, don't touch it. So I'm actually gonna get rid of the 2 on that. If it works, I really don't have to care about that because this is all a massive debug. So eventually this isn't gonna matter. Alright, I think that's pretty solid, and I know how the code works now. I just need this here. When is this being used? Probably used here in the cooking. Uncooked food? Yeah. Let's see. Add like 2 slices of mango, remove the seeds, skin, put in the freezer overnight. Next day, frozen mango blender, add honey, squeeze 2 green apples. It's gonna be a tart smoothie. I like it. A basket weaving degree. Yeah, you could get a degree in like literal meme studies actually in the U.S. now. Anything's a degree, dude. We live in the new modern world. Use to get. What is this for again? String, quick references to. Can I just actually cache these all into a? See, right now I'm like I keep doing things. I'm like, oh, I need to ask them. If it works, it works. That's like something I really need to learn while I'm programming. Clearing to do hours, check the single code, make sure there's no issues. This honestly, this doesn't matter. None of these actually really totally matter. The code works. I know it does. Design 3 new personalities. Hey, all right, cool. That's what we're doing. All right, and then we have to implement said personalities. So that's probably gonna be after here. Then the overhaul the pop-up label. That's gonna be a whole design thing. All right, I'm gonna take a quick little stretch here. My back's dying. Okay, so. What do we have to do for this? Personalities. We need to start designing. We need to start designing the personalities based on the ones we've decided to make. So according to our 3D personalities here, we need to design the jock, the skater, the nerd. So I'm just gonna go this in order of me personally. I feel like I hit this one first, then jock and skater. And implement personalities, that's later on. So we just have to add in the stats for those specifically based off of this. And how do we open this in a new tab? Okay. So based on what we said yesterday, we need to define stuff for hunger, cooking, and draining. So it's just basically like what things we're usually gonna be good at. And then once we design it, meme studies, I'm gonna make it. I'm not doing meme studies, man. I don't run a professional meme page. I don't have the chops to do that, unfortunately. This is a header too, so it's like H2. Let's make this the nerd personality. Let's give it a quote. Good at managing, good at learning, and let's see, good at learning. Let's see. Has high skill gain for I guess, physically intensive abilities. Activities. Which was a more retro slash I guess startup casual. That sounds so douchey. Technological accessories. Let's see. Loses dopamine faster when failing at learning a new skill. Let's see. Or doing activities slash occupations that require frequent in-game interaction. Store clerk, HR, teacher, etc. Okay. So let's just make that the header, then we'll have the kind of like, so let's make this an H3, we're gonna call this one stat breakdown. And I just realized we never fully defined a stat sheet, but there are certain things that I actually have talked about specifically. Will I make my smoothie? Nah, I don't have the items for it, and I'm not going grocery shopping right now. You know what? You think you just won't go to college? You'll go to a research institute in permaculture? Isn't that just a different college? Also, if like you should seriously consider like don't make the decision that young. Like not going to college is definitely an option, but it's a serious option to make because having a degree does make your life significantly easier. Take it from someone who has bounced between different universities. It's like I'm lucky that I've been able to get a lot of work experience prior to doing that, which made it a lot easier to make the decision to either not go to school or leave school. But unless you have that, getting a degree will make your life significantly easier, dude. It's just like it's another thing you just have to do. It's another box you have to check. Maybe you'll like it, you know? College is a really important thing for social development. That's one of the things I actually miss by not finishing school. I was really shy when I was in college. So I didn't like really participate in like a lot of the really cool community activities and meet a lot of different people. So I feel like I kind of socially stunted myself in that process. Not saying like, yeah, you have to go. I'm just saying like, don't say you don't want to go right now. There's a lot to do in the world. College is definitely one of the good ones if you can afford it. Let's go. Let's go like the physical stats. So let's say hunger is gonna be like let's say like 3 to 10. Points. Should actually break that down too. This is needs, personality, gameplay, relationship. Let's actually define that right here. These quotes are callouts primarily for this. I use quotes for like description, callouts for just like internal stuff, so we use quotes for this one, I think. Yep, wow, okay. We have to do a dual stream tonight, guys, too. We're probably gonna, I'm split this up into two, so maybe we'll do like the top down tonight. Because I'm kind of getting burnt out. Just had a rough kind of start to my morning. I don't want to put you guys through like me slogging. Hey, John Luca, how you doing, dude? You finna reject Harvard? Okay. I'm gonna stop you right there. Do not make being a YouTuber one of your aspirations. Do not do that. Like, even most big YouTubers who have made it say don't do that. YouTube should be a secondary to like a hobby that you have, and if it becomes as a career choice, that's what I'm saying. Like career aspiration, I mean that in like a synonymous sense. If YouTube should be a side thing, it should not be like what you aspire to make the most money off of. Yeah. But if you get an offer from Harvard and it offers what you want to, don't do that. I mean, you would have to apply if you're going to get rejected, so just don't. All right, cool. Yeah. Like primarily I'm a game developer, but I stream and I post YouTube videos because it's a great way to get marketing, meet more people, and just keep me on track. And like a really good side effect of that is if someday this becomes like a source of income, cool. But yeah. Do this for fun. It kind of like puts me in a good routine. You still don't want to work a job when you grow up? Yeah. You'll work for yourself. That's a good aspiration. Hello, Jethro. Hello, Doug. Hello, puppy. Hello, Jethro. Hello, Jethro. He's going through my legs. Whee. Come here, Doug. You want to say hi to the camera? You gonna let me pick you up? You gonna let me use a quick squat? What are you, like 82 pounds now? Yeah. Oh, my big doggy. He was allergic to cats, I just found out recently. Yeah. Like a botanist is just someone with a lot of knowledge of plants. Yeah, that is what botany is. You know a lot to take care of different plants and junk like that. What am I working on today? I am working on doing some more of the design sheets so we can just start implementing the personalities. And then we're probably just going to either split the stream into 2 parts tonight, or we're just going to keep going. I have no idea. You want to learn about permaculture and spread it? Yeah. I mean, that's just what learning is, man. You know which career path you take? Yeah, you know what? I'm going to stop myself there because you got what you want to do. It's not my place to really say anything about it. What I can say is just like don't knock on college before you even get to the age where you can, go to it. But how you doing today, Gianluca? What's good, dude? Yeah, I don't know. If we're gonna be learning Limbo AI tonight, maybe that's just like an excuse for me to, what's it called? Work on like a rapid side project. You dropped out at 10th? Like you dropped out of school in 10th grade? Chilling, what about you? Yeah, no, I'm chilling. Just a little tired. Oh, okay, for sure. So I would recommend finishing high school. Yeah, at least getting your GED. I feel like college about there's a difference between high school diploma. Is it like the what's it called? See, the first reason I don't want to go is I can learn from the internet, and second, permaculture will probably use permaculture no matter what. Like, so if I'm a businessman, you can sell stuff on your farm. Yes, but again, for you to work for yourself, you need to also have some kind of surplus of money to, to inject that business or start it off with. And having a college degree is, again, significantly better. Like, literally just, finishing those milestones. Like, Gianluca, I don't know your reason for dropping out of 10th. If it was worked out for you in a way that, you're happy and, you're sustainable, that's what's up. I do agree with Alta about, just finishing that milestone, or at least taking the test to get, a GED. And safe. I see your logic, because I thought a similar way when I was a kid, because I've been programming for a while now. Let me pause the timer here. I feel like we're getting into some pretty serious topics right now that we need to talk about. But yeah, no, again, so if you're very young, and these are really big decisions to make, and I really do respect your attitude towards it, but you're kind of cutting off your nose to spite your face, which basically means you're just closing yourself to opportunities before they even prevent themselves. And also kind of tying in, it's just like I said, enjoy your childhood, because you said you got an IQ of 110. Just you enjoying yourself and making sure that you're happy is like what's important. Yeah, school you never got motivated to do it. I don't need any for any of my passions. It was super hard to pay any attention. All especially affected my ADHD. Okay, yeah, see, I get that too, Gianluca, but like Alta said, there's a difference between high school and college. High school is really one you should finish. Like especially. Not mentioning you have your dad's business to back me, and my brother's offering me a job that pays $150,000 a year. Okay, you know what? That's a lot more money than literally everything at most. That's a lot more money than most people in America make. So if you got that and that's a guaranteed, cool. But again, on the side, you don't need high school for that job. I'm just saying, dude, on the side, it helps. Like, if you like can take yourself like forward and like you have a direct path where you know it's like, all right, cool, I got this locked in, and I truly make enough in my life where like if this opportunity fizzles out, I can support myself otherwise. Fantastic. But it's just like, I know people who have dropped out of college and they eventually went back to do really cool stuff. You know, there's like exceptions to the rule, like Bobby Flay, who also dropped out of high school and now he's like extremely famous and very wealthy chef. But it's just like something to tick off. And Alta said, also for sake, and if you want to be a YouTuber, nobody will want to watch you unless you develop a full personality and a sense of self, which comes from life experience. Become who you will over time and then see how it works out. Definitely that. Like, I'm not trying to come off as like preachy or like know-it-all, but say if I'm twice as old as you and I think, Gianluca, I'm a little older than you. If you have, like, again, if you guys got something set up, fantastic. I take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. But it helps. Like, there's a million jobs that don't need a high school diploma, and I can always get back to GED, and I have those two to fall back on. Not need for passion. I believe it's a situation really. No, it's all good. You're not coming off as preacher. All right, cool. But like, it just helps. Like, one of the things, because I also have ADHD, Gianluca, and I actually struggled quite a bit with the end of high school. Like, circumstantially, I like halfway through high school, lost my dad. So that wasn't really great emotionally. And the school I went to like really shoved like, you have to do college, and if you don't do it in this specific way, you're not going to succeed. And it's like, first off, that's not true, and that's really great to tell someone who just figured out that they want to date, you know? But it's like everything that I've learned about game development has come from self-teaching. But the biggest thing, and this is actually something my mom pointed out to me a lot, which actually helped with me just make sure I could make it to the end of school, something she even tells my brother, is even though it doesn't have to do with your passion, it helps you understand how to learn or understand how to deal with people at the same time. Like, group projects, I hated them. But now I know how to work in a team and actually how to like figure out how to navigate like someone who's slacking on my team. It helps me understand myself better. Like, now I actually know how to break down tasks. Like, a lot of the things I hated doing in college, I do now just because I'm like, oh, you know what? I know how to use this, and now I can just go. Like, I learned about the Pomodoro timer from high school. Or I learned how to take notes and do game design sheets and just basic game design stuff from the stuff I did do in school. Like, if I didn't finish high school and I didn't go to college, I wouldn't be able to do what I did for work for a while. It's like, yeah, the opportunities present themselves. If you're a soccer player, I can do farming to chill and stuff, but yeah, I want to say I truly enjoy permaculture. Yeah, no, I can see that. I remember your name, or one of your names in the server was Safe Permaculture. But, yeah. It's like everything's a life experience. If you make enough to just, like, be chilling, you're chilling. But it's like, there's a reason why we have to do certain things. And sure, it's like societal, it's like, it's built up for society to, like, society's built for, like, you know, neurotypical people or just like to follow a very specific path to be successful in a specific aspect. But like, as much as it can kind of conflict with your base personality or whatever you feel like, it really does help out with just like being able to navigate the unnavigatable. That's a word, right, Alta? It really is just like, at the end of the day, it's just like something that will make your life easier. Because it's super unpredictable. And it's just like having whatever help you can get is just like makes things easier. Like, I would be way better off financially if I finished school or finished college in a 4-year time. But I didn't. Uh, am I? It was a double-edged sword because again, I got to do this and I finally feel like I fit into a groove of like what I like to do. Alternatively, it is significantly harder for me to get a job outside of doing this. And while I'm fine now, it does put on a lot of stress. I'm very lucky to be able to just like be okay with where I am right now. But, you know, making money's great. Like technically I have I have almost, let's see, I have about 5 years of work experience in at a big tech company. I actually did briefly work at Unity, too. Little Zach fact. But yeah, it's not stopping companies from denying me for not having a degree. It sucks, and it's just like, technically I put in, like when I was still working at the company I was going through, and every time I had to do training, I had more experience than the people that were training me. But they finished a degree. I didn't. So they have the full time and I don't. Okay. One thing you do want to say is one of the few things you can't learn in the internet. Permaculture is one of the first things. Yeah, I'm telling you, just like the cool thing about like college, especially in America too, is like community college is free, or at least in California it is. It's like that's it right there. All right, that's enough of that. I'm gonna go back to work. Definitely. Okay, stat breakdown. Physical stats, hunger. Just put everything like in a range of 10, so it's like. You got loads of saving? Alright, man, you're chilling, man. Or not chilling. Still, again, it helps, dude. I have enough invested where, like, really, if things really hit the fan, I could just liquidate my investments and be fine for a couple of years. Still not gonna stop me from just attempting to give myself more opportunities. You know? It's like, it's a rarity when you can just fully disconnect and be okay financially, but then there's the other aspects like socially and stuff like that. Everything changes. Aptitude, let's see, range alone set. Cooking. Let's see, get one for saving. Let's get one for technical. Let's get one for creative. Let's get one for physical. Break it down like that. Cooking ability. Uh, $4,000. Save at 12, that's a lot of money. At 20, that is not a lot of money, dog. That's like, here in California, that is less than 2 months of rent for an apartment. $4,000 at your age, good. Figure out a way to grow that very quickly. Or figure out a way to grow that. By the time, like, when you need to. Okay, so wait, hold on. You dropped out at 10th, John Luca, and if you go for a GED, you can just... It's a singular test, isn't it? Or it also depends on credits. It's in the category of small amount of money to have, huge amount of money to... Oh, yeah. Like, again, for me talking, I didn't have 4K at 12, but as a 23-year-old, 4K is not going to hit hard. You're not getting normal culture. That's chilling. But again, man, the more we talk about this, the more it's just like, don't cut your nose off to spite your face. Just like, you don't have, and plus you don't have to make these decisions yet. You're 12. Enjoy being 12. Seriously. Please do that. As someone who very quickly tried to grow up and now regrets it, enjoy being 12. You don't have to pay taxes. You don't have to worry about bills. You still have lunch period. And you can wake up the next morning and just be like, hey, I'm going to do something. I agree with you, Alta. I'm around the same area. It's just also as someone, again, who like is feeling the pain of like, hey, you're great. You don't have a degree. It's just like, just knock that one out if you can. If you can. If it's just like, just having alternate paths is the goal to do. Like, if you get to a point of like, I would like, my biggest recommendation is if you can get into college and guarantee a way where you'll be like, be able to pay off that debt near the end and simultaneously just do something like this as a side gig or just work on an app or something as time goes on. Yeah, that. But yeah. I'm not trying to grow up fast. I enjoy being 12 loads. Perfect. Then do not think about like not going to college yet. We should not be having this conversation at all. Let's see. Curve. Senior aptitude. Semicolon between. Per tick. X as well. How do I spell? Oh, dopamine. Why? So. Let's see. That's good. Oh, I just realized I put all these in the wrong section. Dude, oh my god. Alright, can I... Oh, this is Nora. Is that anyone? It was, okay. Never went to college though. I 100% studied to be. If you went to 100 college, you 100% to go for an architect. That's pretty cool. Let's see, hunger for the narrow. Let's just put that as kind of like the mid range. So it'll just be like what's 3 plus 10 is 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So I'll just round it down. Say it's like a double round that down. So the nerd has a 5 in hunger. Money. Everyone starts off the same. There we go. So say hunger 5. Actually, why not? We need to just break down the aptitudes. Why do I keep going with P2Bs? Dopamine. Still with the double piece. Don't know what's going on there. What do we say? Nerd skater jock or nerd jock skater? Dopamine drain, cooking ability. We'll put that like a 5 for the mid range. Financial, put that like a 3. Technical, put that. We'll keep that at 8. Creative, we'll keep that at 8. Physical, keep it at 3. Well, we'll keep that as like a 4. Okay, cool. Stat breakdowns are done. I wish I could put these in like little boxes. That'd be cool. Put like dividers in between though. Alright, I think that's good for their personality, dude. Doink, doink, and doink. Cool. Quickly stretch. Oh my god. Alright. Implement personalities. This is going to be changed. I was in college, she stretched herself way too much, pushed herself so hard, I don't think I'm over it, I can't study. She's like, she's that shit, uncle, for touching it, it's just hilarious. She screamed at everyone during exam, lit and nicked her and screamed. How much does it cost the risk of rain you're using of too much? Risk of rain, I think it's like, what, $8 right now? Ooh, Case of Quad. I've been meaning to play that. Risk Grand 2 has $8 right now. How much is Caves of Quad? I mean, here's the thing. There's two different games. So Caves of Quad is a really cool. Whoa! Wait, hold up. Was that? Yo. Wait, people. I was supposed to say 5 friends I have own this. Deadlock is currently limited to friends via our play testers. Deadlock is. I want to play this. This is Valve's new game, which is tight. And I'm very easily distracted. But I was gonna say, Caves of Quad is a really cool game because when it was made in Unity, but when Unity kind of destroyed itself, the dude went on like a whole Twitter thing where he porting the entire game to Godot very quickly, which is hilarious. But if you don't want to shell out $20, you can play a game that we played on this channel before. Something called, I forgot what it was called. That's bad. I still haven't installed it, right? Probably do. I've set to software games. Moonring, yeah. Okay, this is kind of an insane game, by the way. We actually just play some of that in a bit. But if you like kind of like old school turn-based RPG stuff like this, Moonring is free to play. It's kind of insane that this is a completely free game, by the way, because look at this quality. This is actually cracked. And yeah, I said I was gonna buy merch for this game, still haven't done that. Probably will very soon. Because this game's really cool. It's on Steam, it's free. Highly recommend playing this. Because for some reason it's just fantastic. And now we're going on a tangent. How much is Moonring? Or Moonring merch? Because I think they had like a really cool hoodie. Oh no, they had a map. Oh, the world's called Caldera? That's dope. Got a Moonring t-shirt. That's tight. Okay, hold up. Oh, they made multiple games. Is this just one dude? It is one guy. What am I? Or is it just one person, dude? Wait, hold up. Oh, so the one man getting on. Wait, what? It was one dude that made Moonring. That's insane. This is a really high quality game. All right, inspiration. Let's do this. All right. So I think basically what we have to do is just create design. It's done. Let's see. First things first. We need to. Let's see. One. do that after slash. Okay. All right. Yeah, I think we're gonna divide this into two for today. I'm feeling kind of burnt, and we got a decent amount of design done today and some code overhaul. So later on tonight, we will do this. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. I'll see you guys again at 6 p.m. But before we do our full sign off, today is the last day to request, or no, not to request. Today is the eve of Evander's Blender Masterclass for all ages. I mean, I guess for all ages technically. Hey, Lewis, welcome back. Today's the eve of. Don't worry, Lewis, we're doing a two-parter. 6 p.m. PST tonight. We're gonna just implement some more design stuff, or we'll work on. Actually, no, maybe we'll do some Limbo AI and make that little top-down shooter. Figure out what we can do there. We'll see if we can rapidly make Vampire Survivors or Vampire Survivors thing. You drink Coke? Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Safe. I'm ending the stream for now. But no, we'll be back. We'll be back later tonight. I have a plan for what we'll model as practice, but I'm open to suggestions. If anyone has something they want to model, let Alta know. So you heard that. Join the server if you haven't already. We are going to be hosting the class tomorrow instead of doing our normal dev stream at 11 a.m. PST. So hop in for that if you are interested. If you cannot hop in the stream, the server, and you missed the lessons, I will be posting the VODs on YouTube, so you can check that out. But yeah, and also look out for a video later today describing the course as a little introduction. I'll be posting some short form versions of it if you guys don't have the attention span for like a 6 to 10 minute video. Okay. Either way, I will see you guys later tonight, hopefully, again, 6 p.m. PST. So hopefully that worked for you guys. I live on the other side of the planet. But yeah, that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this part of the stream, and see you later. Peace.